Remember, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. In this one, our right angle is located here. So we are going to use these two as our base and our height, and this slanted side is just there to confuse us or to distract us. So cross that one out. So we need 1/2 times 31.2 and times 9.1. I'm going to do this on the side. And remember, we can pretend the decimals aren't there until the very end. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we need our place value spacer. 9 times 2 is 18. Don't forget to carry your 1. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 more makes 10, and carry the 1. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 more is 28. Now we add. And since our question had 2 decimal spots, our answer also needs 2 decimal spots. Then I need half of that. So in one way I could do that is multiplying by 1/2, or I can divide that number by 2. One 2 fits in there. Bring down the 8. 4 sets of 2 fit into 8. Bring down that 3. 1 set of 2 fits into 3. Bring down the 9. 9 sets would fit into 19, and it would give us 18. And 6 sets fit into 12. So our area equals 141.96 centimeters squared because it's an area. In number 2, we have another right triangle, and the area for triangles is 1/2 the base times the height. In this problem, this and this are going to represent our base and our height because they are sticking out of that right angle. This one is just a distractor, so cross it out. We don't want it. The easiest way to do this is to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. So we are going to say 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 more is 15/4. And then times that by 5, but we can rewrite that as 5/1. So there are no factors we can divide out diagonally, so we're just going to multiply straight across the top. 1 times 15 times 5, which gives us 75 as our numerator, and 2 times 4 times 1 is 8 in the denominator. Then this is also kilometers squared. You can change it back to a mixed number if you want, but this is a perfectly acceptable answer. The area for number 3, since it's a triangle, we still need that 1/2 with the base times the height. We want the one sticking out of the right angle, so we're going to get rid of that 4. We are going to multiply the base and the height together. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Then use a spacer. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 1 plus 6 is 7. We had 2 decimal spots in our answer, so we need 1, 2 in our question and 1, 2 in our answer. But then I have to use that half. One way to factor in that half is to divide by 2. Two fits into 7 3 times because 2 times 3 is 6. That leaves me with 1, and I bring down the 6. 2 fits into 16 8 times. Don't forget to keep that decimal spot in the same place. And then I bring down the 8. 2 times 4 makes 8. So our area is going to be 3.84 inches squared. In number 4, we still want the ones coming out of that right angle, which are going to be the 60 and the 11. So get rid of the one that's distracting. So we've got 60 times 11. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. Then we need our place value spacer. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. Add them up. So I have an area that is half of 660. One way we can think of that is taking 660 and dividing it into 2 parts. 2 fits into 6 3 times. Bring down the 6. 2 fits into 6 another 3 times. And then we have a 0 that we still have to keep in there. So the area is equal to 330 millimeters squared.